back on site. We got a little dirt boss with us. Man, no wonder why I was having a tough time in here. With it raining and the glass was all dirty, I couldn't even really tell. I told you guys this was rough. You get in here with a skid steer with all these down logs. Look at this big pile of dirt. I was like, up, down. I mean, this is a minefield. Wow, no wonder. Look at this. I mean, these are just, skid steers don't like to go up and over logs, you know what I mean? And then try to brush cut and keep that level. And another tree here, there. Huge drop-offs. It's a different story when it's not raining. Crazy. Well, we came here on Sunday just to scope out some more concrete because if you're new to the channel and didn't follow the last video, go back. We started opening up this thing and there's concrete structures in here, and I was on my last little pass and I hit this big chunk of concrete here with the cutter. Number 9 rebar. Look at that. Broke it right off though. I mean, it broke the concrete. It's down there. Didn't hurt the cutter. You know, took a couple of the carbide teeth and sheared them off. I ordered some new ones that were on the bottom, but 1, 2, 3, we definitely cut that rebar. See, now this is all uphill, like 5-6 feet of, I don't know if it's dirt or what, but we're gonna be pulling around with big boy. Oh yeah, here's all concrete here. Concrete. Oh. What? Yep. Big concrete slabs. There's another pier foundation. That's what I hit.
You broke that?
No, I didn't hit this one. I hit the one up there where they got more rebar in there. Hopefully this comes out good. It is thick in here. There's another pier there.
Dad, look at. There's the license plate or whatever.
No, it's a sign. Pick it up, see what she says. I would say that was no one allowed. The one is missing. More slabs here. We're going to be burying a lot of this concrete, obviously. I think I see a car over there.
Oh, that's the car. You want to go see?
Get the front emblem. Let's see what we got on that car.
Okay.
We hope it's a.
Oh my.
We hope it's a 70 Chevelle. Oh, that front end looks like.
Oh, Dad, the door handle's still intact.
Hang on.
Yo, Dad. I see it.
All right. Well, what is it?
You have to help me get this out of the
We're
way.
not getting nothing out. We're gonna be dragging this out tomorrow. Kind of want to see what it is, though. Easy. Just look at the emblem right here on the.
No, it's usually in the back.
Well, but we could get to the back. Hang on. I can tell you by the valve covers on that motor. I'm surprised the motor's still in it. Let's see what we got. Ooh. That to me. Oh yeah.
That's a big motor, Dad.
That's a 305. Hang on.
I'm trying to get everything out of the
I'm
way.
gonna say. Nothing on that. Oh, right there. Read that. Read what that says down there on that emblem.
Oh, and that emblem
right here. Does it say Camaro? It is. It's a Camaro. Yeah, man. That's a 60. I guarantee that's a 68 Camaro. Yeah. Just walk around. Keep walking around. You'll find it. Max is going on the back side where I already cleared yesterday. You should find the back of that car. You'll see white. See if you see any other emblems.
Oh, yeah, I see one. It's... Wait, no way. Dad.
What?
The wheel is still intact, too.
Go over in the back where the tree's on it.
P-E-R-A something else.
Well, it could be a Pontiac. Does it say Pontiac? P?
No, it's a P, I think.
I thought this said Camaro, but it's half gone. I gotta go see what he's talking about. Huh. We're gonna have to get these things out and drag it out. Let's go see what other vehicles we can find. do, burn this stuff, maybe dig a pit over there, burn it, and then throw the concrete in it. There's a lot of concrete here. I hit something here yesterday. Oh yeah, that little brick paver. But this is all built up. See the structure there? It all looks loose and broken. That 210 should have fun with it. I hit these tires and cut it with the cutter. Got Max clearing it away to see what the heck we got here. Look, you gotta look underneath. Well, where's that emblem? It would be on the top of the tail light, I think.
It would be right here, but it doesn't say it.
Sweep some stuff away, some debris.
Maybe it's under here somewhere.
No, they wouldn't have it on the top.
Wait, they would have it under here. This plate.
On the back of the
Yeah,
tailgate.
the plate.
Or the trunk, I mean.
Plate. No, this big plate.
How do you know? You're 13.
I know.
You don't know. It would be right here on that rusty plate. See what we got in the trunk. Lift that trunk. Watch out for
Bees.
critters, bees, and everything.
Can't really lift it up because there's so much.
No, let's look in it then.
No, I can
We got a
lift it.
spare tire.
Yeah, the spare tire.
Right here's where the emblem usually hangs out. That's the bumper, so an emblem would be here, but it's
No, it
not.
would be on top.
No, they don't go on top.
Sometimes the cars.
No, it would be right where that rust is, right where you're poking at.
Right
We'll
here?
have to look on the front left fender over here. Man, that tree snapped and landed right on it.
Oh, on the side of the car.
On the side, right by the front wheel.
Right here?
Right by the front wheel and the back of the wheel up high. Like if this is the wheel right here,
Yeah.
it's right here.
Onto the right.
Yeah, on the right side of the wheel. There should be a little emblem. Just look in there. Don't go all the way in. Right here you can see. Max, look through the hole. Right down in there. Right by the wheel. You see the wheel?
No, you can't.
Oh, the tree ate it.
Oh, Dad, look at. I see the wheel part of
Oh,
it.
we got a bunch of
Dad,
seats over
Dad, I
there.
see the
I think
wheel
that's
part.
the seats of the car.
Yo, Dad.
That's the
Dad.
colors they were. That thing, it's in good shape.
Oh my God, Dad. There's so much stuff right here. Come on. I gotta clear all this crap out so I can see it, right?
It would be right here, Max. Look, right here. This is where you got to dig out. Look, right here, right here.
Right. No, that's not the steering wheel.
We're not looking for a steering wheel. Looking for an emblem. It would be right there. Clean that out right there with your hand, Max.
Yeah.
Right here.
Jeez, Dad.
Just
Okay,
take that
watch
debris out. Go right down with it.
Like, where?
Right in here is where it is. You'll feel it. It's a little silver emblem.
Oh wait. Here, give me
Probably
something.
gone. It's probably gone.
How are we gonna get in there?
What is it?
It's a van. It's a rusty old van.
Let's walk around to the front.
I want to see it. I'm going in this way, Dad. Look at this, Dad. It still has the steering wheel on it. Look at.
What one's this? Ooh, an International. He kissed the tree, or that tree grew up on him. Got the front grille still intact.
Look at that. It's really cool.
Someone stole the head off the motor. Still got an alternator though. Huh. How many miles? Don't say. Someone messed with it. Well, at least it's metal. It's good scrap. Good scrap.
Look, it literally says right there.
Metro, yeah.